Welcome to DataBackfill. We'll go ahead and get started and show you how easy it is to sync your historical GA4 data into BigQuery. So when you log in, you'll see this checklist. There are a few things you need to do first. And the first one is configure your IAM roles. So I'll go over to my Google Cloud Console, and these are the roles that I need. I'll go ahead and save those. Check this off as completed. The next, we need to create the BigQuery schema. If you click here, it'll take you to the documentation guide. So this is the guide, and we're going to go over to BigQuery setup. We're going to copy the schema. Now we're going to go over to BigQuery, and within our data set, we are going to create a table. I'm going to call this table SDH Backfill. Select the option to edit as text. Place your schema here and create table. And we can see here, SDH Backfill. This table was created today. And if I go preview, I see there's no data there yet. Okay, let's go back to our checklist. Check this off. We need to grant GA4 editor access to the user that signed into this account. So we'll go to GA4. You will go to admin. You will come down to, here we go, property access management. And here's where you will add that user, give them editor access right here. Give them editor access. Let's cancel out. Don't save. Then we'll go back and mark off our checklist. Now what we need to do is enable the required APIs. There are two APIs you need to enable. So if we go back to our Google Cloud Console, APIs and services, click on Enable APIs and Services. The first one is BigQuery, and it pops up right here. This is the one we want to enable. You'll see, if you don't have it enabled, you'll see the word enabled here, but I do, so we're all good. And we'll go back. The next one we need is the Google Analytics Data API. Google Analytics API. And it's this one right here, Google Analytics Data API. Again, we'll see that I already have it enabled. So I'm all set. So now I need my Google Cloud Project ID. This can be found on your home screen. So I see this is my project ID. Go back, place it here. The BigQuery dataset ID, this is the one that we just created. This is it right here, SDH Backfill. Now we need, I'm sorry, that was my table ID. We need the dataset ID. The dataset ID is this one right here, GA4 Backfill BQ. GA4 Backfill BQ. Go ahead and save our settings. And here we need to choose the same account that we gave the permissions to when we created this account, as well as the same account for the Google Analytics API. So this is the one. Great. So now I need my GA4 property ID, and you come back to GA4. This is an admin property details, and this is the property ID right here. Go back, enter it here. Now we need to pull some data. Since we're on the free trial account, we can only go back 60 days. So we'll just grab all of that from November 8th till today and start sync. Great. So we'll see that this was successful. Now let's go check it. This is our BigQuery table right here. Go back to details, do preview. Let's go ahead and refresh this. Let's go back into our tables, SDH Backfill, preview, and there should be some data. It's just working, and there we go. That's all you need to do. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. But other than that, have a great day.